the vinyl top. So Pop's got a black vinyl top that we're gonna put on it. So we're about to take it over to the upholstery guy right now. That's a cold start right there. Perfect cold start. So if you've been around the channel for a while, you've seen this car. And when I first got it, how this quarter panel was hit. I got this from my pops. I think it was for a Father's Day, like a Father's Day gift type of thing. And about to get the top put on. It's gonna be fully complete. We ended up repainting the whole car to get that same. This is the same color. This whole car's been repainted. Get that same color as the other side. But yeah, if you've been around for a while, you've seen this car and the transformation of it. So it's the last time you guys gonna see it, bare top.
All I know is bring that baggage in. Rich nigga, but I'm still around them savages. Bitch.
Might just edit this footage on my phone. We gotta buy a new Mac sometime this week. We sell some cars, so we're on the iPhone today. Alright guys. Yeesh.
You wanna buy it? I am.
Yeah. How's it going? Looks good.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going? Damn. All right, guys, so Buick is done. It's looking good.
That's part of the body.
The body work?
Yeah, we did the paint. Then this was like a little bundle.
Yeah.
And we like did see it peel up.
Okay.
That's the bundle right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we might just get it touched up. No big deal. On the other side too?
Yeah.
Where's that with the body? Right here. See?
Okay, okay. Okay. No worries. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Esta las llaves. Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is what the Buick's looking like. It's looking real good. There's a few more things we need to touch up with it though, on the rear end. We gotta change out these wheels, because when my dad was driving it over, I seen the wheel on that side wobbling a little bit, and I hear way too much noise from the rear diff. So we gotta pretty much probably take it apart and make sure everything's good inside of the diff, because it didn't sound too good. And also we need to fix some exhaust leaks. But besides the little mechanical stuff, the car is looking real good. This top looks great. And then the wheels my dad want to do on it, he wants to do the Buick Rally wheels. So it's gonna look real good with the black top, because they're black face wheels. But it's looking real good. Everything's all together. Yeah, they did a great job on the top. This is the only thing I really didn't like, but it is what it is. I don't think this was like that. He says it's Bondo, but this wasn't here. It was all flat. I'm thinking maybe when they put the pins in, it popped a little bit up and then it chipped off or something, but it's a driver, it's not a show car. So yeah, this is your drawings?
Yeah.
And which one is that one?
They want just paper.
Just paper?
Yeah.
You gonna make something later with that one?
Yeah.
Ooh, you made that too?
Yeah. And then
You made that?
huh? What is that?
G-Pop's car.
Why am I a Jeep car?
I picked it up.
Why?
Let's see.
No seatbelt?
I think there's seatbelts in here.
They're bouncy. Why bouncy?